Have you ever had those moments where you wonder why you're doing something? You take a moment and think, no one cares. No one wants this. No one notices this. That's when you have to look inside and ask why. Is this for you or is it to please others? Now is a great time to stop, reassess, and find compromise. For example, cleaning. For some, there must be balance. To live in filth and disarray makes things chaotic and unhealthy. But there are compromises. Rather than throwing all of your clothes on the floor, maybe you have baskets, shirts in this one, pants in this one, etc. For me, that wouldn't work. I'd much rather hang my clothes in the closet. But there is a system that is manageable and functional for all of us. It would be my preference not to have drawers. I'd rather hang everything. And in my office, I'd rather have cabinets. I find cabinets to be functional. I don't like drawers. But the real secret is to clear out all the junk. I often find myself thinking about happiness and my needs. In my case, I'm coming to learn that I can't keep things around that keep me tied to a life I no longer live or don't want to live. That's a lesson I wish I would have learned when I was younger. They used to say, live and let go. But before I can live, I must let go. Letting go of what doesn't bring happiness and move forward into a future that does make me happy. Part of happiness can be found in lifelong learning. Enrolling in a 4-H project with OSU Extension Hamilton County 4-H Youth Development can start you on that journey. With hundreds of projects to choose from, you can learn something new, explore who you are, and prepare for a happy life as a productive citizen of the world.